Here's how you can use Heatmap data with SEO Insights to take your website optimization to the next level. By combining these two powerful tools, you can make data-driven decisions that actually improve your site's user experience and search rankings. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to use this data and give you a free trial of one of the best tools available to follow along with. Heat maps give you a visual representation of where visitors are clicking, scrolling, and spending the most time on your page. It's incredibly valuable for understanding what sections of your page are catching attention, and more importantly, which areas are being ignored. When you pair this with SEO insights like keyword rankings, organic traffic, and page speed, you gain a clear picture of not just how users are interacting with your content, but also how well that content is performing in search engines. Let's dive into how to use Heatmap data with SEO insights in just a few steps. First, set up a Heatmap tool on your website. There are several tools out there, like Hotjar, Crazy Egg, and Lucky Orange, that let you see exactly where users are clicking. The key is to focus on important elements of your page like CTAs, product links, and content sections that you want to drive traffic to. Once your heat map is live and collecting data, look at the areas where users are spending the most time. If your call to action buttons aren't getting clicks, that could be a red flag that your button placement or design needs to be adjusted. And if users are scrolling past your key content, you may need to move it higher up on the page or make it more visible. Now, pair this heat map data with your SEO insights. If you notice that certain content areas are getting clicks but aren't ranked well in search engines, that's your signal to optimize those sections for better visibility. Look at your SEO data. What are the high-performing keywords for that page? Are there any opportunities to improve your page's SEO by adding or optimizing keywords that align with the heat map data showing user interest? Another important step is analyzing your bounce rate. If your bounce rate is high, but users are spending a lot of time on a particular section, it could mean that users are engaged with the content, but not finding what they expected. That's where SEO insights come in. Check if your meta descriptions, titles, and headings are aligned with what your users are expecting from your search result. If there's a mismatch, people might leave, even if they're interested in the content. Also, consider the user journey. Heat maps help you see how users navigate through your pages. If users are clicking through your site but not converting, look at your SEO insights to understand if there are gaps in your content that need to be addressed, like missing information or poorly optimized landing pages. Here's the key takeaway. Heatmap data helps you understand where users are interacting with your site, while SEO insights give you the context of how those interactions are performing in search engines. Together, they give you a clear roadmap for making informed, data-backed decisions to optimize both your user experience and your search rankings. In review, here's what you need to remember. First, set up a heatmap tool to see where your users are clicking and engaging. Then, use SEO insights to align those high-interest areas with well-optimized content. Finally, analyze the data to ensure your site is not only attracting users, but also converting them. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below for the heatmap tool I recommend. You can follow along and start optimizing your site today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.